friends, we are cooking Godum Rava Upma in the breakfast. It's Saturday, so we are a little bit lazy for it. So we just got up, it's 9 in the morning. So we are chopping the ginger into small chops. So you can see how small we are doing it. So we are cooking for 3 people in fact. So how spicy you eat, it depends, and you can we are taking 4 green chilies, and even that we are chopping into small slices. So after fine chopping of the things, these are the things that we have put: green chilies, ginger, and green leaves. So we would be putting all this together into this kadai, which is I think oil is just been boiled. So we're putting this little bit of mustards. So they are chopping off, and we put a little bit of peanuts. The sound that comes out of this oil looks really beautiful. So we are putting this another dal. Yeah. So we're putting 1 glass of water. And salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. So we could see the water boiling, and we are trying to put the rava into this water, boiling water. So I think mom is doing it slow into it, and you have to stir it properly so that it doesn't get into harder, and keep on stirring it. It would take around 10-15 minutes to boil. So we could see this. We have just put in everything, and we are just waiting for 5 minutes. So we see it's been 5 minutes. So the rava comes up, and slowly they are boiling. So I think it will take another 5 minutes, or at the max 10 minutes to be ready. So we are just waiting. It's done, and we could see the. So to add to it a little bit, we are adding ghee. The flavor becomes a little bit more tastier. So we are adding a little bit of ghee to it, desi ghee, which we have brought it from our village. Yeah, I'm mixing it. Adding a little bit of coriander leaves to it, so you could see the green flavors coming out. Wow, awesome. So we are just switching off the stove. So it's done. So I would like to add little bit of tomato chutney to it. I would like my mom to add chutney to it, so that it will become a little bit spicy and tastier. So chutney is also prepared by mom in the house. So yeah, so she has put tomato chutney to it. So it would become yummy yummy. So thanks friends. Let's meet again tomorrow with one more delicious item. Thank you.